Okay, this video is for in class 42, but it is simplifying radicals. What you're going to do is you're going to break down your numbers to see what can be combined. So 32 breaks down into 8 and 4, 4 and 2. So I'm going to have 5 times 4 root 2, which gives me 20 root 2. 27 breaks down into 3 and 9, 3 and 3. So it's going to be minus 3 root 3. And then 75 breaks down into 25 and 3, 5 and 5. So it's going to be a minus 2 times 5 root 3, which is 10 root 3. So minus 3 root 3 minus 10 root 3. Sorry, my pen is not wanting to work. 10 root 3, which would give me 20 root 2 minus 13 root 2. Same thing again. Break down 12, 4 and 3, 2 and 2. So that would give me 9 times 2 root 3. 32 from the other one is 4 root 2, so 5 root 32. From the other one is 20 root 2. I'm going to go plus 20 root 2. I'm using it from over here on the other side. And then 72 is 36 and 2, 6 and 6. So minus 6 root 2. So it's going to be 18 root 3. And then 20 root 2 minus 6 root 2 is plus 14 root 2.